Who doesn't love a good riddle? Riddle videos, especially murder mysteries, have been going viral recently, and it's very easy to get lots of views on these types of videos. This new channel, Mr. Fakai, has only started in 2022 and has over 71,000 subscribers already with only 10 shorts. Some of this channel's shorts also have millions of views. The best part? You can do this too with free AI tools. Let's watch one of the videos to see how they make their shorts.
Can you solve this murder mystery? The science teacher at Jefferson High School is murdered on the first day of the academic year. The police narrowed down the suspects to 4 members of the school: the gardener, the coach, the maths teacher, and the principal. However, they all have alibis. The gardener says he was trimming the bushes. The coach says he was playing basketball. The maths teacher says he was conducting a mid-year test. The principal says he was in a meeting. The police had no trouble in arresting the person guilty of the crime. Who do you think was the murderer, and why?
Today, I'll teach you step by step how to make these shorts and earn money. We will make one together, and I'll even show you the final product, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Are you still with me? Then let's get started. Step 1. Generating the script. To do this, we will use a free AI tool, ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to give us some mystery riddles. Try this a couple of times, and once you find a riddle you like, copy it and generate a story around it. You can either make ChatGPT do this, or you can do it using your own skills. Once you are satisfied, copy the riddle. Step 2. Generate a voiceover. To generate the voiceover, we will use 11 labs. Choose a voice that you think matches with the video you want and paste your script. Press Generate, and once you're satisfied, download the clip. Step 3. Images. In order to have a video, you need images, right? We will use Leonardo AI to generate images. Once you've signed in, click on Image Generator. Now you can enter the prompt to create images based on your script. Once you are satisfied, download the pictures. Step 4. Putting it all together. To do this, we will use CapCut. Log into CapCut and press Create New Video. Now add the images we downloaded and the voiceover. Arrange the pictures in an order you like and think fits the video best. You can also add transitions to make your video more entertaining. Don't forget to add captions to your video to keep the viewer's attention. Choose from different fonts and styles. Once you are satisfied, download your video. Your short is now ready to be uploaded. Add some trending music to get YouTube to push your reel even more. Before you click out, let's see the final product.
Only 1% of people can solve this mystery. A man is found murdered on a Sunday morning. The detective questions the wife and staff. The wife claims she was sleeping. The cook says he was cooking breakfast. The gardener says he was gardening. And the maid says she was getting the mail. Who is the killer?
Don't forget to subscribe.